Thank you, Marianne.
If you did that, you'd be buying one of them. No, you wouldn't.
It's recording. I just realized that. Hey guys. Okay, so the whole world's all about 4G networks and 3G networks. Yeah, well, I kind of got into that, and I'm like, I do care. So my head is being really badly cut off right now. So anyway, this is Sabrina, who I've been talking about a lot, and I decided to change up my wardrobe. Nothing but this, like this, and the other two you already saw in my what is it, outfit of the day, which I did today. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and get into the real biz, but talk about the biz. Yeah, that's how. Alright. This is the Metro PCS Samsung Galaxy Indulge, no annual contract with Iron Man 2, which also comes with, it includes micro SD HC card, preloaded with the film Iron Man 2, and it's a 4G LTE phone, which is very exciting, and no annual contract, which is very nice. If I didn't mention that, I probably already did, but I don't remember. Suck that all to the side. Now we have the box that says Samsung. I already tried setting it down. It didn't work out too well. So, let's close that. I need to drink water. She had a popsicle.
Look at this little guy. Oh, you can't see it. It's the little robot. Everything for fun.
I only have 10 minutes. Can't waste time. So you open it up, and oh, comes the phone, and Sabrina's head is blocked out.
Thank God.
Never mind. Never mind. And she already has a screen protector and a case on there for me. So we will come back to that phone, which is the real deal. And also in there is the...
How do they know it's not cardboard?
God, is she stupid. And what is this? Forgot.
SIM card.
Yeah, SIM card thing. Nothing in here, because it is able to open, but we don't want it open. So, pops out the user manual. No one cares. Read it when you get it. Okay. It might be kind of slow now. I don't know why, but this way it is, and it's not cooperating well. So in here is just the charger, and it's portable so that you can use it for your charger, and you can hook it up to the computer. And all you have to do is actually pop this little plastic black thing out, and you can use this for traveling. So that's...
But if they wanted to sell this for more, maybe they actually give you a good movie to watch.
At least it's a movie. Most phones don't really come in movie. And it's a smartphone. Okay, so here it is.
Not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. I thought the smartphone was the cute one.
No, they have. This is the smartphone.
Oh, then the smartphone's stupid.
Wow, you messed up.
Well, it's not like the smart
So
car.
it goes white,
smart cars, small.
and then pink.
Okay, no one cares about a phone case. It's a case.
You know what? You're very hateful. Now we're turning it on, which is the on button. Okay. So you can see it took a minute to load on, and it's still not up yet. So it takes a minute, and you're annoying me. And then just swipe your screen. Swipe. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the buttons. On, headphone jack. Regular, not a crappy ass little skinny one. You can connect that little charmy thing to that little tiny hole, and then your charger port, which is, let me know, No one cares. Let's go past this. Your camera, dedicated camera button, which is always nice. Your camera has very nice quality, zooms in, everything. Does not have a flash. I don't really mind it. Some people are upset about that, but I'm not. And your what is this? Volume buttons. And sorry, it's late at night. Not really that late. I have no idea what that is, but it's just like a little tiny hole. Who no one cares. So now we're unlocking that, and I have phone, contacts, messaging, application buttons at the bottom, and much more. Maps, Metro Web. I'm trying to see if I can. M Studio, Market, Metro 411, Calendar, Email, and App Store. Okay, and then we're going to go to Applications. And we have all these, all those, and then you select space to upload. And where is Iron Man 2 is right there. I'm going to show you how good quality this is. You know, because I don't play. I'm gonna cut it off. Like, I'm not gonna. Hurry up. Okay. My camera's crappy, but look how good that is for a phone. It's like watching it online.
On a mini TV.
That too. My camera is crappy, so, but this is really nice. Like, it's a very clear picture, you can see it well. But yeah. That's it. So far, you have messagings, you have, for instance, you have swipe, Samsung keypad, Android keypad. It's set on swipe right now at this moment. As well as a microphone located at the bottom. I'll put an annotation so you saw that. Okay, I'm gonna talk. Ready? Hello. And hello was plastered. You can't see it, but it is plastered on there. And can you see that? Well, you see those little writings, but it says hello. And it's a really nice phone. Sabrina's getting bored. But other than that, you know, very nice, very nice. I do not have a problem with this phone at all so far. I just got it today, but people say that the battery life is horrible on this phone. I'm going to take care of it because a review on Facebook said that I took care of my phone for the first 2 weeks, and boy, the battery life was perfectly fine. So, check that one out. But anyway, I know it's a bad glare, like, oh my god, that's, like, better, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to do any more videos like this, I'll use a better camera, but other than that, I just have to say, hope you enjoyed. She ate a popsicle, that's why her tongue is red. And have a nice day. Comment and subscribe. Goodbye.